It sounds good, right? Yeah, it sounds good.
The music is okay.
Yeah. We're eating some snacks.
Another one? How do you feel?
Yeah, so you want another one?
How do you feel?
It's okay.
Another one?
Yes.
This is the record number 10 or track number 10, and the season number 7 with Teddy and Louie. And practicing. Okay, Teddy on your side.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Ready, Louis? One, two, three, four. Okay.
For me, it's okay.
Okay, you're doing very well.
Wanna hear one? Let's hear it. Recording. This is the record number 10 or track number 10, and the season number 7 with Teddy and Louie. And practicing "Don't Worry Baby" by the Beach Boys. Okay, Teddy, on your sign now. Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm ready.
It's okay. Yes, I want to listen.
Okay. That's good.
Sounds fun.
Don't worry, baby. I need a mic because when I hear my voice in the mic, I can handle my voice better
Okay.
because it's not don't worry and maybe don't worry, don't worry. It's better. Hi, fellas. What do you think? We're ready for the concert this Friday. Don't you? We'll be live this next Friday, well, it's not our first. Maybe our first concert by like Chicken Jockey. Chicken Jockey. Do you remember the Minecraft movie? Don't worry, baby. Okay.
Okay. Do you think we have another last
Okay,
one?
the finish.
Yes.
The end.
Yeah, because it's night. I don't know where. What do you think it will be the next session? Tomorrow or
Tomorrow.
at 4 p.m. Well,
Tomorrow
then
maybe
afternoon.
around 5. 5.
Okay, around
5.
5 tomorrow.
Please.
And what else? We need to improve something. We are missing something up besides the voice. What do you think it's?
Voices,
No,
chorus, music.
no, the music it's perfect.
What something like what? Snacks?
No, no snacks. I meant for the performance.
Oh yeah,
Mm,
yeah, snacks. I want some cookies.
I meant some snacks in the performance too.
Well, some snacks in the sessions. Here we are tomorrow. No, the outfit. Well, I prepared my outfit. My beach t-shirt.
Well,
But you, what?
I
would
have
be?
California.
Okay.
Well, with the state of California, the flag, and also I've had my bandana of America.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I
Please,
can
please.
use the bandana with
Yes.
sunglasses, with the t-shirt, and with something a black shirt.
Yes.
Okay, well, are you ready for the last?
Yes.
The last record is the number 11.